Logan.
That's what I told the other Santa.
You did?
Yeah.
That one's for Dylan though. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back.
I thought that one was...
You gotta wait for Dylan. You gotta look where your name is on the stockings. Okay. Hey, Dylan. Did he come and eat the cookies?
Yeah.
Did you go look? Go look. Where'd you guys leave the cookies?
Where are they? He ate a whole cookie, and he didn't even eat that.
He didn't eat all of it. He didn't eat all of it.
He didn't want to.
We get chocolate cookies, so he can't eat them all.
Yeah. Did he leave you a letter? Did he leave you a note?
No.
Go look.
Go look by the cookies.
He leaves notes sometimes. No, by the cookies, where the cookies are.
They can have one of these.
Not right now. Hold on.
One note.
He did.
Well, bring it in here.
Come read it to us.
Hey, did you bring us a lightsaber?
No, who do you think brought all this stuff? No, you gotta read it.
Read it to Mommy again.
These,
I don't know what it
look
says.
like lightsabers.
Dylan, wait a minute.
Thank you, Logan and Dylan, for, I don't know,
For being
being, oh yeah,
such
such good boys this year. Logan.
No, it says love.
Logan, the blue lightsaber.
Who's that?
Santa Claus.
Yeah.